What if the planets you fear the most are actually the ones shaping your success? In astrology, malefic planets don't destroy you, they transform you. In astrology, not all planets behave the same way. Some planets are considered natural benefics, and some are known as natural malefics. But what does this really mean? Natural benefic planets like Jupiter, Venus, Moon, when strong, and Mercury, when positive, are associated with growth, harmony, wisdom, and support. They bring opportunities, emotional balance, knowledge, and ease in life. On the other hand, natural malefic planets like Saturn, Mars, Rahu, and Ketu are often seen as challenging. They bring delays, struggles, discipline, and transformation. But here is the truth. Malefic planets are not negative. They are teachers. For example, Saturn teaches patience and responsibility. Mars builds courage and action. Rahu pushes you towards ambition and growth. Ketu leads you toward detachment and spirituality. The impact of these planets depends on their strength in your birth chart. A strong benefic can bring blessings easily, but a strong malefic can bring powerful growth through challenges. Astrologically, strength comes from factors like placement in houses, zodiac sign position, aspects from other planets, overall balance of the chart. When planets are strong and well placed, they help you express their energy in a positive way. When they are weak or imbalanced, their lessons may feel difficult. Ancient scriptures of astrology teach us one important truth. No planet is purely good or bad. Every planet plays a role in your evolution. Benefics support you, malefics shape you. Together, they create your journey. In astrology, planets don't control your life. They guide your growth. For further details for chart reading and learning Nadi Nakshatra astrology, 6 months course, 2 hours every week. Class contact Dr. Nikunj Walia on mobile +91 98714 6888 3.